Another house with a wake. 11 members of their family are gone. An emotional state that's hard to describe, and one that needs some tenderness. Yousif's home was swept away by the flood. His entire family was killed, mom, dad, and siblings. But he miraculously washed up on the shore alive. The water lifted us and smashed us on the ground, he says. I woke up on the floor, got up, and left. What are you feeling now, I ask. Nothing, he says. We need international psychosocial support urgently, says his uncle and now guardian, Mustafa. His anger is palpable and understandable. This was caused by neglect and corruption. Yousif was one of the lucky ones who was swept away and survived. The head of the Derna Scouts emergency team says they saw around 1,500 dead bodies on the beach on the first morning. His team have been on the front line of Derna's troubled past, helping liberate the city from ISIS. They're now gathered for a strategy meeting with Girl Scout leaders, and wails are coming out of the room. They too have lost family, friends, and 90 boy and Girl Scouts. 70 of them were children.
This is a massive catastrophe. I have 54 Scout leaders that have lost their friends, families, and loved ones. So they are distraught.
Despite their own suffering, they are adamant to boost morale, especially for these children, whose families are now gone. There are no toys, so they use balloons. But sometimes it just won't work. There is so much to process here. This crisis has needed miracles, resilience, and a deep sense of duty, all of which Derna has shown in abundance. Yousif al-Baghir, Sky News, Derna.